Let's dive right into the video, how to become a medium to the spirit world. The first step is to set a really clear intention on who it is you're actually wanting to connect with. So for me, I connect with source energy, the highest divine light. I also connect with ascended masters, spirit guides, animal guides, angels, gods, goddesses, and my loved ones and other people's loved ones on the other side. And I'm crystal clear with that, who I connect with. And I really recommend that you do this before you start any sort of channeling practice or even dabbling around. It's really important that you know who it is you're wanting to connect with and set that really super duper clear intention that whatever comes through for you is for your highest and best good and the highest and best good of all. Check out my client Sandy here, who went from feeling fearful of her other side connection to full power trusting her intuitive abilities.
She helps you connect with those, your loved ones that have passed on. And those are very special messages that you can work with Polly on. So thank you for connecting me to my grandparents and my aunt and my guides that now I can talk to on a daily basis, and that's priceless.
To join in my online program, Other Side Channeling Academy, check out the link in the description below where you can book a free consultation with me to apply. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to receive notifications each and every time I post a new video. Step number 2 is to prepare. So I really like to create a little ritual every time I'm about to work with the other side. And what I do is I light a candle, I go to my altar, I say a prayer, I set my intention, I light some incense, I clear the space, I clear myself, and I really honor what I'm about to do and thank I thank my team, I thank Source, I thank the loved ones on the other side, your loved ones on the other side, and really get clear. So I'll do a few minutes of meditation. I used my singing bowl to really clear and raise the vibration. Step number 3 is to ask. So once you've set your intention, once you've cleared your space, once you've cleared yourself, the next step is to ask whoever it is, if you're wanting to connect with this particular loved one, to ask them if they would come through and if they would be open to talking with you. Step number 4 is to pick up the phone. So I really think about it just like making a phone call. So you want to pick up the phone, dial their number, and then start talking as if they're really there on the other end. You want to ask the questions that you have, you want to say hi, you want to say how are you, and then be quiet and see what they have to say. And it's really important that you be open to receiving the messages that come, and it might not be exactly in words. You might get a feeling, you might hear a song, you might hear a sound, you might get a smell, you might see a vision or a picture, you might just feel tingling in your body. So you want to be really open to the way the messages come. The last step is to say thank you. Thank everyone for coming through, thank your guides, thank Source Energy, thank your loved ones. And then you're gonna do the whole process in reverse. So close your portal, close your connection, and basically do your ritual in reverse. And really be grateful for this time that you've had connecting with the other side. And it's also super important that you maintain a high vibration on a daily basis. And this means starting to do daily spiritual practices so that you stay clear and that you're completely open and available to receive. Be sure to leave me a comment below with any mediumship experiences you've had, or if you think maybe you are a medium. Or if you want to find out more about my program, Other Side Channeling Academy, be sure to click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.